Okay, your character has been drinking and they have to do a spit take. Now, let's talk about how to act a spit take. You see people do it all the time. They spit out some drink, and that looks fake because I'm not reacting to anything. A spit take only works for comical effects when you are actually reacting to something. No character actually wants to spit the drink out of their mouth unless it's something that tastes horrible. It's a spurt, it's a get it out of my mouth, it's an expelling, and it's not reacting to anything other than the taste of the drink. That's one way to do a spit take, but most spit takes in films or on stage are meant for comical purposes, and the character is usually expelling something because they heard somebody say something that surprised them, shocked them, or they found funny. There's different ways you can do a spit take. Back into the cup, into a laugh. You want to take a swig of water and hold it in your mouth long enough to still be realistically swallowing it, but still react to the timing of the thing. And it's a timing issue more than anything else. It's hard to do without somebody saying a line, but let's just try it here. And then, if you spray it really well, keep your lips together. Oh shit, I'm getting it all over myself. Some people take the cup and they try to do the spit take with the cup still there. And that's not gonna work unless you're spitting back into the cup. If you're trying to spit and spew out, you need to actually be swallowing the thing. So that's it with spit takes. Just be in the moment, time your drink so that it lands right on the line that you're reacting to, and have a specific reaction to that line. Is it funny? Is it shocking? And then also, have your character try to not do the spit take, because trying to control it and letting it just go all over the place often works a little bit better. It can be very funny to do a recovery of trying not to spray all over the table or into somebody's face. Got water all over everything. So what does your character want to do next? Since we're expelling things, do they want to vomit and feel nauseous? Or do they want to do a double take? Vomiting or double take?